Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this 2015 38-foot Pursuit 385 OS. Striking styling from Pursuit, quality, performance, it's got it all. Factory hardtop with tower, buggy top, custom pedestal for satellite TV. This boat is loaded. Rupp outriggers with center rigger. Powered by triple Yamaha F350s. This boat is fast. Rocket launchers across the transom. Let's take a little closer look at this very special Pursuit. Moving forward, wide walk around, custom windshield frame that Pursuit is known for. Of course, it's got a windlass. Moving aft towards the cockpit, which is the center of any sport fishing boat, you'll see a center-mounted rocket launcher with rigging table and drawer. Walk through transom door. Cockpit combing all around. Live well into transom, and that is a freezer fish box across the entire transom. Plenty of tackle storage. Rigging center and sink to port, even has a grill and a refrigerated drink box. Easy access climbing up to the tower underneath the fiberglass buggy top. Is a double wide seat. Everything is duplicated from down below. Touchscreen multifunction display, joystick control. It's all here. Even has FLIR for night vision to get you out and back in the dark safely. Into the air-conditioned and heated helm deck, which is fully enclosed. Port side guest and companion seating that can act as an aft-facing lounge. Custom helm seat with flip-up bolster, complete over-the-top electronics, custom dashboard to accommodate two 16-inch Raymarine multifunction displays, autopilot, bow thruster, joystick control, trim tabs with indicator, even a remote spotlight. Factory hardtop has a safety rail, couple of hatches to give you a little light and air. Let's go down below and take a look at the great job that Pursuit has done in this interior. Rich quality materials, dine it to port, plenty of cabinets and storage area. Moving forward, hanging locker, queen size master berth with storage under, teak floors, satin teak wall, complete galley with cooktop, sink, microwave, plenty of under-counter storage, refrigerator drawers. Moving aft to the mid-cabin, there's a little settee and a queen-size berth. Full-size head with glass vessel sink, plenty of storage. Rare to find in a fully enclosed shower and head. This boat is loaded and ready to go, whether you're fishing the canyons of the Northeast, cruising to the Bahamas, or just taking it out for lunch. This boat is ready for your next adventure. Be sure to see the full specs of this unbelievably equipped Pursuit on our website, offshoreyachtSales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.